Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about Turner syndrome, a condition that affects only females result when one of the X chromosome is missing or partial missing. Turner syndrome can cause a variety of medical and developmental problems, including short height, failure of the ovaries, develop and the heart defect. Turner syndrome may be diagnosed before birth, during infancy, or in early childhood, occasionally in female with the mild sign and the symptom of the Turner syndrome. The diagnosis is delayed until the teen or young adult years. Symptoms are signs and symptoms of the Turner may vary among girls and women with the disorder. From some girls, our presence of Turner syndrome may not be readily apparent before the birth. Large fluid collection on the back of the neck or other abnormal fluid collection in edema, heart abnormalities, abnormal kidney at birth on the during infancy, wide and babbling neck, low set of ears, broad chest with the widely spaced nipples, high narrow roof of mouth, arm and turn outwards at the elbow, fingernails and toenails that are narrow and turn upward, swelling on the hand and the feet, especially at birth, slightly smaller than the average height at the birth, slowed growth, cardiac defect, low hairline at the back of the head, receding or small lower jaw, short fingers and toes. In childhood, teen, and adulthood, there are signs or symptoms you can observe like slow growth, no growth, adult height significantly, failure of the being sexual changes and expected during puberty, sexual development, and early end of menstruation cycles, and causes are like most of people are born with the two sex chromosome, boy inheriting with the X chromosome from with the mother and Y chromosome from father, girl inheriting one X chromosome from the each parents. The genetic alteration of the Turner syndrome may be one of the following: monosomy, the complete absence of X chromosome generally occur because of an error in the father's sperm or in the mother egg. Mosaicism, in the some cases of an error, occurs in the small division during early stage and fetal development. The result is some cell's body having a two complete copies of the X chromosome. X chromosome abnormalities, abnormal or missing part of one of the X chromosome can occur. Y chromosome material in small percentage of Turner syndrome cases, some cells have a copy of the X chromosome and other cells have one copy of X chromosome and the Y chromosome material. Complications are heart problem, high blood pressure, hearing loss, vision problem, kidney problem, autoimmune disorder, skeleton problem, learning disabilities, mental health issues, infertility, pregnancy complications. So this is all about the Turner syndrome. Now we will discuss about the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is the genetic condition that results that when a boy is born with the extra copy of X chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome is the genetic condition affecting male or isn't often diagnosed until adulthood. Klinefelter syndrome may adversely affecting testicular growth, resulting in a smaller than the normal testicles, which can lead to the lower production of testosterone. That syndrome may also cause reduced muscles mass, reduced body and the facial hair and enlargement of breast tissue. The effect of Klinefelter syndrome vary and not everyone has the same sign and symptoms. And the symptoms are weak muscles, slow motor development, delay in speaking, problem with the birth. Boy and teenager have some signs which is taller than the average, longer legs, shortened, torus, absent, delayed, incomplete. After small fins, testicles, small penis, enlarged breast tissues, weak bones, low energy level, tendency to be shy and sensitive, weak bones, decreased facial and body hair, less muscles compared with the other men in large breast tissues, increased belly fat. Causes are one extra copy of the X chromosome in each cell, the most common cause, an extra one chromosome in some of the cells with fewer symptoms, more than a one extra copy of the X chromosome, which is a rare result in the cell from extra copies of gene of X chromosome can inheritance with male sexual development and infertility. And the complications are anxiety, depression, social emotional behavior problems such as a low esteem, emotional immaturity, impulsiveness, infertility, weak bones, heart blood pressure disease, breast cancer, lung disease, metabolic syndromes, autoimmune disorders such as the lungs and arthritis, tooth oral problem. So this is all about the Turner and Klinefelter syndromes. Thank you.